Hi guys, I just woke up. Day off ko today. So, nagluto ako para sa asawa ko. Iinom kami today. It's gonna be just a relaxed day today. May picnic ka, Han? Yan guys, merienda time. Iinom kami ng asawa ko today. Just chillin'. Yan guys, nagluto ako ng chicken feet. Pulutan namin. Hi guys, I'm off today. We're drinking. What are we drinking, hon?
Miller Lite.
Nanood lang kami guys ng Netflix today. And we're just gonna be chilling out. Are we gonna eat the chicken feet? When? Today?
Yeah. Probably together.
Yan na guys, yung chicken feet na niluto ko. Inom kami ng Miller Lite while watching Netflix. Gabi na guys, ayan. Ano na. Like, ilaw na kami because it's so dark. And pulutan namin chips, dips, fish balls, chicken feet. Ooh! Niluto ko yan. Inom na. I thank God sa beer. It's really yummy. I know guys. Cheers to freedom! Yung pinapanood namin vlog sa YouTube. Yung magjowa silang LGBT. Tapos that's what they do. Like, they keep on drinking sila magjowa. And they say that, cheers to freedom. Anahan, inom na.
Okay.
And guys, ubos na. Ubos na lahat yung mga namin, matutulog na kami mag-asawa. Sabi na. Kausap ko yung best friend ko, guys. Ayan o, ingay. Tutulog na kami. Later, mag-ano ako. Ano yan? Guys, lasing na ako. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Watch, like, comment, and subscribe po. Pero later pa yun. Doon na ako magpapaalam kung saan kami matutulog. Sa room namin. Ubos na, guys. Nakailang beer ka? Ako, 4. Ikaw, Mami Princess, nakailang beer ka?
Puta, nakailang luto ako.
Sige, guys. Later. Ayan, guys. Matutulog na kami, Tapos na kami uminom. Ayan, kausap ko pa yung best friend ko sa phone daw. Bye-bye ka na, Han. Watch, like, comment, and subscribe po. Manunod lang kami ng Netflix and then matutulog na kami. Okay, stop. Good night, Han. Good night.